I just wanted to hop on and talk about how the ponyo has been such a game changer for fragile scalps. So this has been great. It's prevented those headaches, that tension, that pulling, but I still wanted to reach out and give some tips. If it is still pulling and causing tension using your ponyo, we do have a little tip that's gonna prevent that. So continue watching if you wanna see. Use 2 fingers, put your hair through, flatten our ponyo, and here's where we're gonna change it up. You're going to angle it forward just like this, so it's almost touching the base of your head, and then you're gonna bend one side and bend the other. See how it's still touching, and then it's a little looser there and you're not gonna get that pulling. I can pull some hairs here, get some volume, can even pull some hair from the front, and I'm ready to go.